Completely renovated from top to bottom in 2026, this beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 1-bath home offers the perfect combination of modern finishes and worry-free living. Nearly every major component has been replaced, making this is a truly move-in ready property. The stunning new kitchen features stylish cabinetry, elegant quartz countertops, a farmhouse sink, and a fresh, contemporary design that's perfect for everyday living and entertaining. The home also boasts all-new flooring, fresh paint throughout, updated light fixtures, and a completely remodeled bathroom with a new tub, tile flooring, and toilet. Exterior improvements are just as impressive, including a new roof, siding, gutters, front porch, sidewalk, garage door, and privacy fence, providing outstanding curb appeal and long-term value. If you've been searching for a home where all the hard work has already been done, this is it. Enjoy modern updates, low-maintenance living.